Welcome to Excel 2010 for data analysis. The first thing that we're going to get started on is customizing our Excel application. This is going to make our lives so much easier and our work more efficient. First place we're going to start off is up here at the top of our Excel application. This is our quick access toolbar. Our quick access toolbar can have tools added to it so that with the click of a button we do not have to search for it. We can just activate our tools. By default, it starts off with the save, the undo, and the redo. This button to the right is our more button. If you click the more button, you are able to get some nice quick tools that you can add to your quick access toolbar. Currently I am going to add the open. Now you see that it has added the open option for my quick access toolbar. Another great option on this more button, if you click it and go all the way to the bottom, we have an option to show below the ribbon. If we click that option with the left side of our mouse, our quick access toolbar now appears down below the ribbon, closer to our work environment, so we can quickly and easily access our tools. That is just one way to add an item to the quick access toolbar. Another way to add an item to our quick access toolbar is to find a tool that we need. Let's say Format Painter. We click with the right side of our mouse, go to Add to Quick Access Toolbar, and then click with the left side of your mouse. Now I have the Format Painter tool on my Quick Access Toolbar. There is a third way to add tools to the quick access toolbar. This way is a great way to add tools when you find that you need a tool that is not in the ribbon. We can click our File tab. This takes us to our Backstage view. Down at the bottom we have Options. If you click on Options, it brings up our Excel options. Off to the left we have Quick Access Toolbar. If you click on Quick Access Toolbar, it brings us to our Customize the Quick Access Toolbar. With this drop down here, Choose Commands From, we can click this to add popular commands, commands not in the ribbon, all commands, macros. We can also add from our different file tabs that we have, as well as our contextual tabs that we have when only certain items are available. I'm going to go up to the File tab and select it. I'm going to choose a tool, Close. In the middle of the two boxes here is our Add option. I will click on Add. This has added the tool to my quick access toolbar. To move items, I select the item and I can use the arrows off to the left, right here. I click the arrow up and it moved Close up above Format Painter. On all of our options in the Choose Commands From, we have what is called a separator. This separator allows us to add a little bit of organization to our quick access toolbar. So I am going to select Separator, select Add, and now I have added a separator that once we click OK, you will be able to see on my quick access toolbar. I actually want to move this up between Redo and Open, so I select it, I click the up arrow twice, and now it has moved between Redo and Open. If I want to remove a tool from my quick access toolbar, I can select the tool, come to the middle here to the button that says Remove, and select Remove. If I find that I do not like my customizations, I can come down here to the bottom under this right-hand box to Customizations. I can click the drop down. I can reset only the Quick Access toolbar, or I can reset all customizations. When I select OK on the Excel options, I now have on my Quick Access toolbar my close and my separator. Again, this adds some organization to my tools. If I need to remove an item from my Quick Access toolbar while I'm here, I can right-click and remove from Quick Access toolbar. That is one of the ways that we can customize our Excel application. The next way that we're going to look to customize our Excel environment is to modify our ribbon. Our ribbon is laid out in a very logical order. We have our Home tab, our Insert tab, our Page Layout, our Formulas. Inside each one of these tabs are groups. This is my Clipboard group, my Font group, my Alignment group. Inside each of these groups are where the tools are stored. So when we create a new ribbon tab, we create the tab name, then we create groups, and we're able to put tools inside the groups. Why would you want to do something like this? Well, our Quick Access toolbar can only allow as many tools that will fit across this bar. So we may need to add additional tools. Or you may have very specialized needs, and having all of your tools in one place is very beneficial. To add a tab to my Quick Access toolbar, I come up to my File tab, I click it, I go down to Options, select Options. Once I'm in my Excel options, I go to Customize Ribbon, select it. Here you will see a similar layout to our Quick Access toolbar. We have Choose Commands From, and we have Options, Commands Not in the Ribbon, All Commands, Macros, File tab, our main tabs, different tool tabs, and custom tabs. Over here to the right-hand side, we have Customize the Ribbon. Here are our main tabs. As you may recognize, we have our Home tab, our Clipboard group, our Font group, and our Alignment group. If we click the plus sign on the Clipboard group, we will see the tools that have been added to that group by default. I click the minus sign next to Clipboard to collapse it. To add a new tab to my ribbon, down here at the bottom, I have New Tab. I select New Tab, and it creates a new tab custom here on my ribbon. I can select New Tab Custom and rename that tab. I am going to rename it Favorites. I can right-click and go down to Rename, or I can select Rename on the buttons down at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and select Rename down here. It asks me to name it. I'm going to call it my Favorites. And I'm going to select OK. Now I have a tab named Favorites. I have one group. I need to rename this group. I'm going to call it Format. Can come down to click on Rename or right click. I have symbols here. The symbols are if I want to add this specific group to my quick access toolbar. It will give me a symbol that provides meaning that I know that this is my group. I'm going to call this format. So the display name will show format. I'm going to click OK. And now I can start adding tools to my format group. So I'm going to add center. Click on it. Click the add button in between. I'm going to add fill color. Select it. Add. I'm going to add font size. Select it. Add. I'm going to come down and select merge and center, select it, and add. I am now going to create a second group by coming down to the bottom and selecting the button that says New Group. Now, of course, I'm going to need to rename it. Rename. I'm going to call it Data Tools. And I'm going to select OK. Now I can add some data tools that are going to be helpful to me when I am doing my data analysis. I'm going to select conditional formatting. I'm going to come down and add pivot table. I'm going to come down further and select table. Now that I have my ribbon established, I'm going to select OK. Now up at the top on my ribbon, you can see a tab called Favorites. I can select that tab and I have all my special tools at my fingertips rather than selecting multiple tabs and multiple groups. I have them all available. If I decide that I want my favorites to be the first tab that opens up, because by default the Home tab is the first tab that comes up, I can move my Favorites tab in front of my Home tab. I select my file, I go down to Options, I select my Customize ribbon, I select Favorites, and I select the Move Up arrow. Now it is the first tab in the ribbon, so by default, whenever I open up Excel, it will be the first tab that opens. I'm going to select OK, and now my tab, my Favorites tab, is opened first and foremost. There's one other place that you can customize, and that is your status bar. Your status bar has ready, it may have the macro recorder. It's the bar down at the bottom just before your Windows taskbar. It also has your view layouts. It's got a zoom slider bar, and it also has your zoom dialog box. If you click with the right side of your mouse, you open up the option to add and remove items from your status bar. I'm going to add cap locks. So if I hit the cap locks key on my keyboard, you will notice that I will have a cap locks option that appears. So I'm going to hit my cap locks, and here is my cap locks. Hit my cap locks again to turn it off. So this is another customization that you can do to your Excel application. The assignment for today is going to be for you to customize your quick access toolbar and to customize one ribbon tab and move it in front of your Home tab. Once you have completed that assignment, Then you need to go to your Insert tab and you need to take a screenshot of your ribbon and quick access toolbar. To do the screenshot, you will need to open up a Microsoft Word document. You will go to the Insert, you will go to the Screenshots, you will go to Screen Clipping. Make sure that your Excel document is right behind it, and then go ahead and click and drag just that corner to give me a copy of your new tab and your quick access toolbar. For example, I will go to my Word document. I will open up a blank document. I will go to my Insert tab. I will come to my Screenshots, click the drop down, go to Screen Clipping, select it, and then up at the top, I will start up at the top and I will just select the information showing my quick access toolbar and my favorites, and then submit it to the assignment tool. We'll see you at the next video.